up? Oh. Oh, it didn't turn off. I just don't feel like talking, so this is probably just gonna be a pure sound or something. I just don't feel like talking. I like these guys, man. We found some pretty good guys to ride with. That thing is beautiful. They're all wild, man. Look at that thing. That thing's nice, man. We got some rollers done. I think we're gonna do a little bit more. Like I said, I just don't feel like talking today, so I'm just gonna chill, and then I'll put the clips together of all of us. But it'll be more of a sound of the bike than anything. that bump on my... Oh, wait. I don't think I've been talking this whole video, but hopefully I got some good shots of the bikes. I like that color. He's probably like, these damn, like Fast and the Furious. There we go. Andy, if you ever watch this, damn street racers. Roads closed, pizza boy. Find another way home. I love the auto blip on this. Better turn. But look, I can downshift. I slammed on my brake a little too hard earlier. I'm gonna have to look at my tire. The ABS kicked in and slid it a little bit. Oh, it's because he loves this turn up here. He loves that sweeping. It's not really a sweeping turn, but is he gonna cut this car off? People are ridiculous, especially with bikes. They hate when bikes go. And it's like, you're not getting to your destination any slower. I think Fastlane said it like that. You're not getting there any quicker. So I slid it again. I love how we're just looking at each other. What is he doing? Is he getting that shot? Send it. Oh, I thought he was gonna wheelie, that's why I got over. Oh, my music. I don't know where my brain is lately, man. Work has been killing me. See you, buddy. Honestly, I just wanted to come out and be on the bike. I have nothing to say. I'm just taking it all in. The past, I don't know, 3 or 4 times that I've gotten on a bike, I've recorded, and you know, for me, it may be easier for some people. For me, it takes a lot out of me to sit here and talk nonstop. So, it's just more difficult for me. So it takes a lot out of me, because like I said, I don't really talk to anybody, so unless I have to. And to sit here and talk is just, it takes it out of me, man. And today, after all of the other things I've been filming and editing and doing all those things, I just want to ride the bike. That's all. I just want to ride. Better ingredients, better you know what? Papa John's is good. I was gonna talk smack, but Papa John's is definitely good. The only pizza, I love all pizza, but the only pizza that I can't stand is Little Caesars. That shit is like a cardboard box. It's like a cardboard box in a cardboard box. I will talk smack all day long about Little Caesars, because they suck. They're like FedEx. But I hate FedEx way more. FedEx can... And... They didn't wave back. But FedEx blows, and Little Caesars sucks. We'll just leave it there. Like, if I had to eat a Little Caesars pizza, I would. If I was gonna die, I would eat one. But... Oh yeah? Well, be care. Yep. Be care. What did I say? What did I say? Why did I say that? See, social interaction is difficult for me. If I don't know you, and I can't just be open around you, I guess, and excluding work, like, work is different. I treat work totally different, but like, I don't know. My brain is fried is the point. And I know, you know, let's go. All kinds of trucks, man. So many trucks. Why am I talking about trucks? I'm passing these cars. Don't make me stop completely, bro. Oh my god. See, I'm just tired. I think I'm tired. I'm grumpy. I'm hangry. I just want some food. But I did it to myself. So, anyway, I'm almost home. So, like I said, not that anybody gives a but. I'm gonna go in, make myself something to eat, then make myself something to eat, hang out with my dogs, maybe edit some, take a shower, and go to bed. So, there's my new gas station. I call it my new gas station because, you know, I live in this subdivision back here. But, anyway, yeah. So, I've been thinking about an outro. Yeah, I don't really know what I want to do for an outro. I don't know. So many people do and say so much stuff. And I just want to be real. Like, if you watch this, great. Like I've said in all my other videos. If you watch it, great. If you don't, that's fine too. But, anyway, guys, peace out. See you guys later.